Now, since yesterday evening, we have observed that the Communication Committee, presided by your advisor, has started making unwarranted attacks on members of the opposition. I've seen myself, you can have a copy of the MBC TV. So may we know from the Prime Minister whether this committee set up for COVID, which has done a lot of work, communicating, has now been converted into a political platform attacking us, Member of Parliament. So the ministers are supposed to come and explain the different measures taken by government. I consider it very serious. We are members of Parliament. I am considering seriously looking at the standing orders to come at the next thing for a motion of privilege, according to, but you cannot have a committee where you have ministers which have powers, but also an advisor. I'm finishing. I know you're not, so I'm finishing. So I'm raising the issue with due respect to you. So I'm asking the Prime Minister if he can give directives to that committee to stick to their normal routine, their work which was assigned, explaining to the population the different measures of government, not coming and criticizing us members of Parliament unjustly on TV. So the Prime Minister can go and verify what has been, I would say, broadcasted on the MBC TV.
Now you're challenging. Oh, come on. But wasting the time.
Well, Mr. Speaker, sir, well, it depends how you look at it. I must say, sometimes the truth might be interpreted as if there are attacks. So the committee, the communications cell is here to give as much detail as possible, as much information as possible to the public. And I take it that since we have been communicating to the public all those information that are required, I think it has been very helpful for people generally to know in what direction we are moving, what are the precautions that have to be taken, and also informing the people about the legislation that we are passing, and also explaining to them why those legislations are required now. So I think we have to bear in mind that as much as we can, we are providing information, and we should not take it as a criticism to any member of the opposition.